Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's provide all the solutions to this problem. Alright, so we have x raised to 5 equals to 1. Okay, solution. Now x to the power 5 equals to 1. Everybody knows that by inspection, if I plug in 1, I'll get to 1. So by inspection, the first answer for this problem is 1. So how do we solve for the next solutions? We are going to apply the Euler's identity. Okay, so e raised to I pi plus 1 equal to 0. So from here, e raised to I pi the same as -1. Now we are going to do substitution here. Okay, we want to bring the identity here to be able to solve for the other solutions, but we have -1 here. If this were to be -1, I would have put this one there straight. But here the case we have 1. We have to do something to this. But we are going to support this one with constant. So this one is the same as e raised I pi. Okay, I'll raise both sides with a constant. So I'll multiply the power by 2k. And this side -1 by 2k. Okay, so from here we have e 2k I pi. So and this side will still be. Now let me explain this one. Now when you are given 3 raised to the power x equals to 9, this side will be 3 raised to the power x equals 3 squared, therefore x equals 2. But what if I make this side negative? So once I make this side negative, this one won't be possible. Now k takes value. Okay, k is not negative. K takes value from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Alright, so if I plug in 0 here, this side will be even. So negative raised to the power even will be even. That will it will be positive. Now if I plug in 0 here, this side will be 2 and -1 to the power 2 will be 1, and therefore this side will be e raised to k I pi equals to 1. So this side will be 1. It means that x to the power 5, and we have x to the power 5 equals to 1. So I'm going to replace the 1 here with this. It's very powerful. So from here, x to the power 5 is the same as e raised to 2k I pi. So with this, we can find all the solutions. Now from here, we want to get rid of the 5 here. So I'll raise both sides with times 1/5. So this side 2k I pi times 1/5 will be over 5. So we have this one cancelling that. X equals to e raised to 2k I pi on 5. Remember k takes value from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when k is equals to 0, let's see what happened. Have x equals to e 2 times 0 I pi on 5. So 0 multiplying this one will make everything go to 0. Therefore 0 over 5 will be 0. That will make this side go to 0. So which is 1. So it means x1 is 1. Alright, now let's go to when k equals to 1. Remember, we should have 5 solutions. So my x will be e raised to, so 2 times 1 I pi. So that will be e raised to 2 I pi on 5. So that's the second solution. When k equals to 2, my x will be e raised to, so 2 times 2 I pi on 5. So we have 4 I pi on 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, so level 2. So when k equals 3, so my x 3 will be e, so 2 times 3 I pi on 5. X3 e raised 6 I pi on 5. And when k equals to 4, so x1, x2, x3, so this side is x4. K is equal to 3 is x4. So we are left with the last solution, that will be x5 e, so 2 times 4 I pi on 5. So x5, that's the fifth solution, will be e raised to 8 I pi on 5. So that's the solution. Alright, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.